1. Define natural resources. 1. Natural resources are defined as a form of energy which is essential for the functioning of organisms, populations, and ecosystems. 2. How can renewable resources become non-renewable? 2. Even our renewable resources can become non-renewable if we exploit them to such extent that their rate of consumption exceeds their rate of regeneration. For example, if a species is exploited so much that its population size declines below the threshold level, then it is not able to sustain itself and gradually the species becomes endangered or extinct. 3. What are the major agricultural land resources? 3. The major agricultural land resources include a climate, b. geological formations, c. soils, d. water, e. artificial elements, f. vegetation and ecosystem. 4. Which is the most prominent factor responsible for land use changes? 4. Among the various factors responsible for land use changes, agriculture has been one of the prominent factor globally. 5. What is the rate of deforestation per decade? 5. The rate of deforestation is estimated to be about 1.3 million square kilometers per decade by the UN's Food and Agriculture Organization. 6. Mention any 3 consequences of deforestation. 6. The consequences of deforestation are: A. Biodiversity is lost and along with that genetic diversity is eroded. B. Hydrological cycle gets affected, thereby influencing rainfall. C. Problems of soil erosion and loss of soil fertility increase. 7. What is mining engineering? 7. Mining engineering is a field that involves many of the other engineering disciplines as applied to extracting and processing minerals from a naturally occurring environment. 8. How many dams exist in India? 8. As of 2020, there are 4,710 completed large dams and 390 are under construction. 9. What is hydrological cycle? 9. The water we use keeps on cycling endlessly through the environment. This is known as the hydrological cycle. 10. Mention any 3 effects of droughts. 10. The effects of droughts include: A. Acute water shortages for humans and industrial users. B. Famine due to lack of water for irrigations and consequent malnutrition, dehydration and related diseases. C. Fights among people over natural resources, including water and food. 11. What was the original form of energy-based technology? 11. The original form of energy-based technology probably was fire, which produced heat, and the early man used it for cooking and heating purposes. 12. Name the different types of fossil fuels. 12. There are many types of fossil fuels, such as: A. Petroleum, B. Natural gas, C. Coal, D. Natural gas contains high percentages of carbon. 13. What does the combustion of fossil fuels generate? 13. The combustion of fossil fuels generates sulfuric acid, carbonic acid and nitric acid, which causes acid rain. 14. How can greenhouse effect be rectified? 14. The greenhouse effect can be rectified by reducing the amount of fossil fuel burnt, by filtering CO from the emissions of power stations, and by disposing of the greenhouse gases. 15. Which developing country has a consumption of the highest per capita energy? 15. Among the various developing countries of the world, China has a consumption of the highest per capita energy.